Today we turn these into something very tasty. Homemade parsed tomatoes. After washing them, we put them on our cutting board. So we can cut our bonbon tomatoes into half. Then we weigh them to see how much other ingredients we're gonna need. So we put some salt in it, also some sugar and some really good olive oil. When all is mixed together, we're going to cook it on low heat for 20 minutes. Stir them frequently so they don't get burnt. And to make use of our time, we disinfect our jars. We put our crumbled tomatoes into a food mill, which is called Flotte Lotte in German. After our tomatoes are processed, there are only a few steps missing. We write down what is inside of our container. And then we put our yummy parsed tomato paste into our jar. Scrub it well so we get everything out of it. And then we close our jar. Turn it upside down just in case to disinfect it. It's my preferred way of doing it. And when we are finished, we have charred parsed tomatoes. As I overestimated how much parsed tomatoes I will get, yeah, I had to put the leftover jar to another use. Pickled chilies, you can find the video on my channel.